In the last video, we discussed about the most common phobias or fears. Today we will look at and understand words with the root mono, meaning one. In some words, mono also means alone. Can you guess the words where mono means alone? Mention them in the comments below. Let's begin with today's video. In this video, we will learn 6 words with the root mono. Monogamy. Monogamy means the practice of being married to one person at a time. Mono is one and gamous means marriage.
A monocle is a glass piece for one eye. In the olden times, a single eyeglass was worn in front of one eye in order to help the person see more clearly. This is a monocle.
Next word is monotony. Mono means one and tonos means tone. Hence, monotone is sameness, repetitive nature of things. When things become monotonous, they get dull, boring and lack variation. Monologue is a long speech given by one person. The word is generally used in a drama or act. Mono is one and logos means word. Monopoly is a commonly used word and a very important concept in economics. Mono means one and poly is to sell. Thus, in economics, a single seller in the market is called a monopolist. In general terms, monopoly means to have complete control over something. And last but not the least, monochrome. Mono is one and chrome is color. Monochrome is commonly used in the field of photography. Monochrome photos contain variations of only one color and nothing else. This could be different shades of blue, green, or gray, for example. Black and white photos are monochrome photos, because they contain variants of the color gray, ranging from absolute black to absolute white. Hence, all black and white photos are monochromatic. But all monochromatic photos are not black and white. Monogamy. Monocle. Monotony. Monologue. Monopoly. Monochrome. Do you know other words with the root mono? Mention them in the comments below. Thank you for watching the video and please like and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you next time with new words.